YouTube channel, and I'm Anna, and today we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. And please subscribe and smash that big like button. My ingredients today, my ingredients for cookies is flour, sugar, brown sugar, eggs, soft butter, baking soda, salt, vanilla extract, and chocolate chips. And I also have sea salted caramel chocolate chips. And also I have eggs and what am I supposed to do? Okay, we're back, and I'm gonna heat the oven to 350. And it's at 350 now. So now I'm gonna add the butter in. And you always want the butter to go in first because I had to dump out my dry ingredients, my flour, my baking soda, and salt into a separate bowl. And I'm gonna turn it on. Wait. Oh yeah. So we're creaming up the butter, and now we're gonna do 1/4 cup of sugar. And we're also going to use 3/4 of brown sugar. And now we're going to mix it up. Oh, wait. So I just finished cracking up the eggs and mixing the butter and the brown sugar. So now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm gonna add in 2 eggs. And I'm gonna stir that up. Ingredients.
What is it?
And I just added in some flour, my salt, and my baking soda. So I'm gonna mix that up. So I'm super excited to add it in these super sea salt caramel chocolate chips. So I'm gonna add these wonderful chocolate chips in, and make sure to do 1 cup. And then I'm just gonna add in some normal chocolate chips, and make sure to do 1 cup of that. these wonderful chocolate chips in. And I'm gonna mix those in. Now, I have special guest Julia, and right now we are gonna be taking the dough off the little plate, the bowl thing. Go ahead, super guest.
And it's really raining outside.
All right, what's next?
Now, we're gonna be scooping up some chunks of cookie dough, putting it onto our pans. Because I don't want them to be this size, maybe a little bigger. So I'm using partridge paper because so then the cookies don't stick. And our oven is ready, so I'm gonna add these wonderful cookies in, and also make sure be extra careful around the oven. If you're a little too young, make sure you have an adult by you. And I can't wait to have these wonderful cookies. Well, we're gonna find out what our cookies are gonna look like. Well, they look a little different. Different. So we're gonna maybe try a little bit. Ow. Oh. Doesn't taste bad. Well, I finished baking, and they look very delicious, but very thin. Super good. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Smash the like button.
And also, please smash the like button.